So guys, in today's video, I'll be telling you 5 places I've invested my money in 2025, and I'll be telling you the category of investment it falls into, if it's a high risk investment or it's a low risk investment. Also, I'll be rating this investment platform so that you can get started investing in any of them you wish to invest. So if videos like this interest you, do want to subscribe to Waxfly TV. Please, we'll talk about how to go about investing and how to go about making some cash for yourself. Now, the first investment I'll be talking about is the savings bond. Now, FGN savings bond is the first investment I got started with when I want to delve into the world of investment. And with a minimum of 5,000 naira, I can get started. There's the 2 years tenure and also the 3 years tenure. You can invest in this low risk investment, which means you are not losing your money. You are giving your money to the federal government of Nigeria for them to invest for you, and they are giving you interest every quarter of the year. So that's a good way of investing, but your capital will not get to you to the last day of your investment. That's the maturation of investment. So let's say you're investing for 2 years until it's 2025. So your capital gets to you by 2027, but you'll be getting interest before that time. Once it's the maturation of your investment, they'll then give you your capital. This is a sweet low risk investment. I'll be rating it 8 out of 10. Now, the reason I rated it 8 is because of it's a low risk investment. So it's good for starters if you are not really good at investing, or you are not really willing to take risks when it comes to investing. Then I'll tell you that you should invest in the FGN savings bond, because you are not going to lose your money. You are sure you are going to be getting your interest and your capital at the end of your duration. So that's a nice way of getting started with investing. But why I did not give it a 10 out of 10 is that since it's a low risk investment, the interest rate is a bit low. So you can see 16%, sometimes you can see 18%, sometimes you can also see 15%. So you should always check out this channel, because we keep bringing you updates on how to go about investing in FGN savings bond and when it is available for investors to delve into it. Now, the second investment I've invested in this year is the stock market. I've invested in over 5 stocks in the Nigerian stock market, and I'll tell you that yeah, that's a great investment for me. I diversify my portfolio because of I want to make the most out of profit in the stock market. Before you invest in the stock market, you should know that the stock market is highly volatile, which means it's a high risk investment. You can get your money doubled, or you can lose your money in the stock market. So the stock I invested in, and in the period of time I was losing 44,000 naira, but I didn't really panic because other stock were performing well. There's some stock I have now that has up to 100+% as my interest. So it's a great thing investing in the Nigerian stock market. And one thing you should understand is that the Nigerian stock market is actively doing well at the moment. You should not believe all those people saying Nigerian stock market is not performing well. You should go and invest in the US stock market. Yeah, the US stock market is doing well, but the Nigerian stock market is also doing well. Before you go ahead investing in the stock market, you should make your research as regards the stock you want to invest, and you should also diversify your portfolio. One other advice I advise is that when you want to invest in the stock market, see it in the long run. Don't invest and think in the next 2 weeks you are going to pull out your money, because sometimes the stock will not perform the way you want it to perform. So do well to understand all this before investing in the stock market. Platform like Alpha Investor 2.0 is there for you to invest in the stock market. You can also use Bamboo to invest in the stock market. Now, my rating for stock market is 7 out of 10. The reason I'm rating it 7 out of 10 is that if you are getting started with investing, I will not recommend that you invest in the stock market because it's highly volatile. I don't want to recommend it for you, and once you lose your money, you're now panicking because you're not really used to your risk management when it comes to investing. So I'll tell you to start investing with low risk investment. But overall, the stock market is a good investment if you are good at picking the stock. Now, the third investment I had invested in 2025 is the treasury bill. Now, the Nigerian treasury bill is a low risk investment also. This is more like you're giving money to the federal government of Nigeria to invest for you, and they're giving you interest, and it's always a short-term duration type of investment. Every Investor 2.0 also offers treasury bill, so you can invest in treasury bill, and in less than a year you get your profit and you get your capital. One beautiful thing about investing in treasury bill is that if you're investing today, you can get your interest today, so you don't really need to wait till the end of your duration for you to get your interest. If you're investing today, you can withdraw your interest today and leave your capital till the end of your duration, because you cannot be able to withdraw that your capital. But what I usually do is that I reinvest my interest, so that my interest will make its own interest. So I'll be getting interest in 2 parts. So investing in treasury bill is one of the great investments out there because it's also low risk, and the federal government of Nigeria will definitely pay you. Now I would say that this investment is a 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, I love treasury bill because it's a short-term investment, though their interest rate is not usually too high, but I still love treasury bill because I have been investing in it and it has been giving me some profit. So at the end of your duration, they'll just put your money in your wallet. If you're using AfriInvestor 2.0, your money will just go to your wallet. It will leave your investments or your portfolio account and go to your wallet for you to withdraw it. It's not coming straight to your bank account. You're the one that is withdrawing your treasury bill investment. Now the fourth investment I have invested in 2025 is mutual fund. Recently I made a video on how I invested 50,000 naira in Stanbic IBTC money market mutual fund, but before then I've invested in AfriInvest Pluto's fund, where I use Optimus by AfriInvest to invest in this mutual fund. Overall, mutual fund is a good investment because they pull money from various investors and they invest for you, so you don't really need to manage your investment. Experts are there to choose a portfolio for you, and once they have chosen that portfolio or that assets they want to invest your money, they make profits and you see your profits in your dashboard. I'm currently investing in Stanbic IBTC money market mutual fund. I've discovered that all the investment there are low risk investments, which means most mutual fund are low risk investments, also while some of them are high risk investment, depending on where they're investing your money. If they're investing your money in treasury bill, commercial paper, bankers acceptance, then definitely that's a low risk mutual fund. But if they're investing your money in a stock market, then it's a high risk mutual fund. Now the fifth place I've invested my money in 2025 is dollar. Now what I do is that I leave my dollar so that once dollar appreciates in price, I would be able to convert and make more money. Yeah, it's not really a great investment to some persons because of the daily wait till that long period of time before dollar appreciates in price. But I will say that the rate at which dollar was appreciating to a great extent some months ago, it was a great investment for some persons out there. So if you have some dollar or you have a way to exchange your naira to dollar, you can leave it till it appreciates in price and you can sell off. As at the time of recording this video, dollar is about 1,600 per dollar, so don't know what dollar price will be. Again, let's just hope it does not keep getting high, but to an investor they'll keep hoping it gets high so that they can make their profit. So that's the 5 places I've invested my money in 2025. You should drop in the comment section the places you've invested your money in 2025 so that we would know and we'll see if we can get on investing where you've invested your money. If you want more content like this, do want to subscribe to Waxfly TV as we keep bringing you ways to go about investing and making some cash online. Don't forget to like this video and share it to a friend so that they can get started investing. If you have more questions, also drop it in the comment section and I'll look forward to replying all your questions. See you next one. Peace.